Edward Rogers has firmly planted his flag at the top of the telecom giant that bears his family name. 2 weeks after being removed as chairman by a board of directors, which included his mother and sisters, a judge has now put him back in charge. CTV's Allison Hurst on the internal family squabble that spilled over into a bitter boardroom battle.
The BC courtroom showdown that's put a spotlight on a family feud at the telecommunications giant has a decision. But the fight is not over.
No comment.
Edward Rogers' lawyers leaving victorious after the Supreme Court justice sided with their application.
This was a fairly straightforward issue, and so I'm not surprised that Edward prevailed.
The decision gives him full control of Rogers' communications and approves his move to replace 5 independent directors without a shareholders meeting, rather by the stroke of a pen.
Well, I don't think it's any mistake that Rogers incorporated under the British Columbia Corporations Act. They knew that provision was there. They kept it quiet, sort of an ace in the back of their mind that they could pull when they needed it.
The legal drama has pitted son against mother and sisters in a rare public fight for control, stemming from the attempted removal of Rogers CEO Joe Natale.
The company's reputation, of course, is taking a hit. It's eroding confidence, perhaps, in the way that the company is structured.
Rogers family members say they are very disappointed with the court's ruling, which represents a black eye for good governance and shareholder rights and sets a dangerous new precedent. That the ruling ushers in a particularly dangerous time for RCI, and they plan to continue to amplify the voices of shareholders.
A certain family member, certainly Martha Rogers, has indicated on social media and elsewhere that she or they are very prepared to litigate this.
Their lawyer requested a stay of proceedings pending an expedited appeal. That request was denied by Justice Shelley Fitzpatrick, satisfied instead by assurances made by Rogers' lawyers. The new board will not make management changes until the family's appeal is heard. Omar.
Not over yet. Okay, Allison Hurst in Vancouver.